Hello everyone, this is a continuation of our video tutorial about proportion and application of fundamental theorems of proportionality. Sa part 1, natapos natin gawin ang learning task 1 at number 1 sa learning task 2. Ngayon naman ay itutuloy lang natin gawin ang learning task number 2, number 2 to 4. So let's proceed to number 2. Find the value of y in the following proportions. Okay, so madali lang to guys. Kasi we just have to cross multiply in order to find the value of y. Okay, so simulan natin sa letter A. Yan, so letter A, we have y over 18 is equals to 25 over 45. So cross multiply lang natin guys. So ito muna, so y times 45. Yan, then next, 18 times 25. Yan. So, kunin lang natin yung product. Y times 45 is equals to 45y is equals to 18 times 25 is equals to 450. To find the value of y, so i-divide lang natin siya both sides of the equation. Yung numerical coefficient ng y, which is yung 45, para y na lang yung matira dito sa kabilang side ng equation. So, 45 divided by 45 is equals to y. 450 divided by 45 is equal to 10. So, y natin sa letter A is equals to 10. So next, let's proceed to letter B. Okay, so y plus 4 over 5 is equals to 12 times 5. So ganun din ulit gagawin natin, cross multiply lang din natin ulit. So y plus 4 times 5. Yung kabila naman, 5 times 12. Yan. So dito, i-distribute lang natin yung 5 dito sa mga terms na ito, sa y tsaka sa 4. So we have 5 times y is equals to 5y. Then 5 times 4 is equals to positive 20. Then 5 times 12 is equals to 60. Yan. So, linear equation siya. So, to solve a linear equation, kukombine lang natin yung linear term at saka yung mga constant terms. So, dito, ang constant term natin na 20, lilipat lang natin dito sa kabilang side ng equation para mai-combine natin dito sa 60, which is constant term din siya. Okay? So, bring down muna natin yung 5y. And then, bring down 60. So, pag transpose natin itong positive 20 sa kabilang side ng equation, so magiging negative 20. So, we have 5y, 60 minus 20 is equals to 40. Para y na lang matira dito sa kabilang side ng equation, so we will divide both sides of the equations by 5. So, we have y is equals to 8. Okay, so letter B, ang y natin ay 8. Okay, next, letter C. Okay, ang letter C naman natin is y plus 3 over 6 is equals to 5y over 12. So, same process, cross multiply din natin. So, we have, okay, so 12 times y plus 3 is equal to, ito naman, okay, so 6 times 5y. So, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina sa letter B, didistribute muna natin yung 12 dito sa y at saka sa 3. So, 12 times y is equals to 12y. Then 12 times 3 is equals to positive 36. Then equals to 6 times 5y is equals to 30y. So, combine muna natin yung mga similar terms. 12y, so sa 30y, transpose natin dito sa kabila, magiging negative 30y. Is equals to, then positive 36 will become negative 36. 12y minus 30y is equals to negative 18y. Then, bring down lang natin yung negative 36. Okay, so para y na lang matira dito sa kabilang side ng equation, we will divide both sides of the equation by negative 18. Okay, so negative 18 divided by negative 18 is equals to positive y. The negative 36 divided by negative 18 is equals to positive 2. So, our y for letter C is equals to 2. Okay, letter D, last. So, we have 3y minus 6 over 2 is equals to 2y minus 8 over 4. So, same process. Cross multiply lang natin yan. Okay, then, kabila. Ganun din. Okay. So, i-distribute lang natin itong 4 dito sa 3y at sa negative 6. Ganun din dito sa kabilang side. So, unahin muna natin to 4 times 3y is equals to 12y. Then, 4 times negative 6 is equals to negative 24. Then, here, 2 times 2y is equals to 4y. Then, 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. So, pagsamahin lang natin yung mga linear term tsaka yung mga constant term. So, si 12y at saka itong 4y, lipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 4y. Then bring down natin negative 16. Then si negative 24, ilipat lang natin, magiging positive 24. So 12 minus 4 is equals to 8y is equals to negative 16 plus 24. So magsusubtract tayo at mas malaki si 24 kaya positive 8 ang answer natin. So para y na lang matira dito sa kabilang side ng equation, we will divide both sides of the equation by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So y na lang natira dito. Then we have 8 divided by 8 is equals to 1. So letter D, our y is equals to 1. Okay, number 3, if x is to y is equals to 5 is to 3, find 3x plus 4y is to 6x minus 2y. Sulat muna natin to sa fraction form. So we have x is to y is equals to 5 is to 3. Okay, sa una, isosolve muna natin yung x. Tapos isa-substitute naman natin siya dito. Okay, so to find the value of x, i-cross multiply lang natin. So x times 3 is equals to 3x is equals to 5 times y is equals to 5y. So para x na lang matira dito sa kabilang side ng equation, so we will divide both sides of the equation by 3. Okay, so cancel. We have x is equals to 5y over 3. So ito ngayon yung x natin. So ito yung isa-substitute natin dito. Let us rewrite this one into fraction form of proportion. So we have 3x plus 4y over 6x minus 2y. So papalitan lang natin itong mga x na nahanap natin ang value ng x, which is yung 5y over 3. So ganito yan. There. Okay, and then, so sa multiplication, okay, pwede natin itong i-cancel. Yan. Tira na lang dito sa ating numerator ay 5y plus 4y. So, ganun din dito sa ibaba. Divide lang natin to. 6 divided by 3. Yan is 2. Then, 2 times 5y is equals to 10y. Then, copy minus 2y. Okay, so we have here 5y plus 4y is equals to 9y. Then, 10y minus 2y is equals to 8y. And then, cancel yung y. So, we have 9 over 8. Okay, so therefore, 3x plus 4y over 6x minus 2y is equals to 9 over 8. Let's have number 4. Find the ratio of x is to y if 5x squared minus 13xy minus 6y squared is equals to 0, where x and y is not equal to 0. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, ito ay quadratic equation. So, kasi ang highest degree of exponent niya ay 2. Yan. So, to solve the quadratic equation, kailangan muna natin kunin yung dalawang factor niya. So, meron mga iba't ibang technique para gawin ito. So, kung gusto niyo malaman, ilalagay ko ang link sa description box. Okay? So, i-write muna natin yung equation. Katapos, so dito, ang technique na gagamitin ko ay yung tinatawag kong lazy-AC method of factoring. So, AC kasi dito sa equation, meron tayong A, B, at saka C na tinatawag. So, ang unang gagawin lang natin ay kukopyahin lang natin yung value ng A, which is yung 5. Yan. So, kukopyahin lang natin tong value ng A, which is yung 5. Tapos, hihiwalayin lang natin to. So, itong x squared, so x and x. Kasi x times x is x squared. Tapos, itong y squared naman, ganun din. So, y at saka y. Okay, so tapos gawa tayo dito ng malaking x. Tapos dito, sa itaas, ilalagay lang natin yung product ng a at saka yung c. So, ito, yung a times c or yung 5 times negative 6. Yun ang ilalagay natin dito, negative 30. Tapos sa ibaba naman, ang ilalagay lang natin dyan ay yung value ng b. Ito yung negative 30. Okay, so ngayon, dito naman sa kabilang side ng mga x, mag-iisip tayo ng factor ng negative 30 na kapag in-add o in-subtract natin ay negative 13 ang sagot. Okay, so ito yung factor ng 30. So negative 15 times 2 is negative 30. And negative 15 plus 2 is equals to negative 3. So ito ngayon yung ilalagay natin dito. Yan. So anong pwedeng makadivide sa 5 at saka sa 15? Okay, so pwede siyang i-divide sa 5. So, divide lang natin siya sa 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is equals, x na lang natira dito. Tapos, 15 divided by 3 is equals to, 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. So, copy lang natin yung y. Anong pwedeng makadivide sa 5 at saka sa 2? Okay, so wala. Kaya, i-bring down lang natin yan. So, ito ngayon yung factor ng equation na ito. Okay, sunod, ang gagawin lang natin ay i-equate lang natin ang mga ito sa 0. Yan. So, i-rewrite lang natin yan. So, x minus 3y is equals to 0. So, dahil kailangan natin magkaroon ng x is to y or x over y. Yan. So, dahil kailangan natin magkaroon ng x over y, okay, so ang gagawin lang natin ay, so eto, ilipat muna natin tong negative 3y dito sa kabilang side ng equation. Yan. So, x ito, tapos yung negative 3y, nilipat natin dito, naging positive 3y. Okay, so dahil kailangan natin magkaroon ng x is to y or x over y, so i-divide lang natin to both sides of the equation ng y. Yan, so meron na tayo dito ang x is to y. Ika-cancel lang natin yung common nila, which is yung y. So, ang natira ay 3. Okay, so 3 over 1. So, 1 na lang siya dito. 3 or 3 over 1. So, eto ngayon yung answer natin. Okay, tapos dito naman sa pangalawang factor, ganun din, equate lang natin to sa 0. So, we have 5x plus 2y is equals to 0. Then, ilipat lang natin tong 2y dito sa kabilang side ng equation. So, we have 5x bring down is equals to, so nilipat natin to kaya naging negative 2y. Okay, so para magkaroon tayo ng x over y, di-divide lang natin yung both sides of the equation ng 5y. So kung dinivide natin dito ng 5y, i-divide din natin siya dito ng 5y. Okay, so kakancel lang natin to 5 divided by 5. So ang matitira na lang dyan ay x at saka y. Tapos dito, kakancel natin din yung common nila, which is yung y. So, ang natira na lang ay xy is equals to negative 2 over 5. Okay, so therefore, the ratio of x is to y is 3 is to 1 or negative 2 is to 5.